What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope everybody's chilling, everybody's having fun, everybody had a great weekend. And to all the Muslims who are celebrating Eid on this weekend, I hope the Eid was fantastic. You guys had a lot of fun. And yeah, I've been chilling, bro. My weekend was so lazy, bro. All I did was, the first day I did go out with a couple of friends, but the other days I was just chilling, bro. I was sleeping, I was playing video games, I was eating, and that's all. Watching a couple of videos, watching a couple of gaming live streams, and yeah, I was just living the life. You know what I mean? But it was definitely, I needed that break. But having said that, I hope everybody's back mentally and physically, and I hope everybody's looking forward to this week because last week was a great week. And we took a couple of trades, and I'm going to go through those trades right now. So if you're new to my channel and if you don't understand the things that I'm going to be talking about, in the first comment below, I'm going to link a playlist with the name of Institutional Trading. Now, go ahead and watch all those videos and then come back and watch this video. And then hopefully you'll understand the things that I'm going to be talking about. So if you're not new to my channel, well, this video you are already gonna hopefully understand the words or the terms I'm gonna be mentioning throughout the video. And one more thing, I have a free Telegram group where it's a public group. Everybody can talk, everybody can post their setups, everybody can chat. And if you go join that Telegram, it'll be in the first comment. Or you can just go to Telegram and search for a group called the Presidential Suite. There's no spaces, just the Presidential Suite. And once you enter that group, on the pin and on the top, right under the name of the group, there's a pinned message. And if you click on that, it will take you to my private Telegram channel where only I post setups and trades that I'm taking. So the public group is only for people to post setups and learn and discuss their analysis, but the private group or channel is where only I post setups. So having said that, also one more thing, thank you guys so much for 40,000 subscribers. That is insane. And it's almost a year since I started doing YouTube videos and starting to think about just sharing what I was doing, right? I was just trading and I thought to myself, you know what, I'm trading. Why not share the concepts with people as well? And look at how that turned out. So thank you guys. I really appreciate it. 40,000 people. I mean, that's insane, bro. Never even thought about it. But having said that, let's move on. So we took a trade over here on US30, and I went through this in my latest video, which was the weekly analysis. And I said in my video that on the 4-hour time frame, I can see an order block right here, right? This one. So I said that the US30, it made the lower highs, lower lows, and it started moving within this channel before it broke down, broke back up, broke down, broke back up. So this was on the Friday as well. So that's why I don't trade on Fridays or Mondays, because it's just the market is just trapping all the traders. And you never know what the market is going to do next. It's highly volatile, and I like to stay away from that sort of markets. So as you can see in my video, if you go watch this video, matter of fact, you know what, let me see if I can I think it was right in the beginning of this video that I talked about US30. Nope. By the way, I'm sorry about it. My screen was half eaten up and I didn't even realize. I'm sorry about that, guys. You guys can't even see the currency. You have to look here. Okay, US30. So this is US 500. I'm looking at US30. There you go. So as you can see, the market was creating higher highs, and there was an order block right above those higher highs, and that's what I said. So I said that the market will either come here in this area and then reverse, or it will come to this area of imbalance. You know, there's a lot of imbalance here, okay? And then the market would reverse. So I like, before I enter for a trade, I like to look for rejections in the zone, because look, if there are no rejections in that area, chances are the market is probably not going to reverse. I mean, it might reverse still, but I like to look for rejections because rejections really give you a safe entry and you have more confidence in your trade. So as you can see, the market came up to this area that I was looking at. There was an order block. If you go to the lower time frames, you can see the rejections more clearly. There you go. The market started to make lower highs and lower lows. So I took the trade on the close of this inverted hammer, if you want to call it that. And my next take profit was right here. So about 270 pips or points, whatever you want to call it. And then it broke through and then went down a little bit and then broke back up, broke down. It's still respecting this trend line. So I'm still bearish. There you go. I'm still bearish on US 30, but we'll see how this week starts to play out as the time goes on. But yeah, nice little trade on US 30 and also on US 500, same thing. There we go. So US 500, I was looking at the same thing. US 500. No, actually, this is US 30. This is US 500. There you go. So I was looking at the market was still making higher equal highs over here. So a lot of liquidity being created. And then we have an order block right here, as you guys can see. And we have imbalance. So I was looking at the same zone, either this order block or this imbalance. So as you guys can see, the market came here into that order block, but didn't really show the rejections to the upside. It was just a pin bar and it was still closing bullish, so I didn't enter the trade here. So as you guys can see, as the time went on, the market came up here and gave us nice little rejections exactly at the zone, at the imbalance zone. Nice little wicks to the upside. So this is telling me that the market is struggling to go to above this zone or this area. So once these candles closed, I took the trade on the close of this inverted hammer or whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, my take profit on this trade was over here, just above this wick, because I knew the market would come here, but I just wanted to play it safe. So 342 pips or points on US 500. Again, not a bad trade. And yeah, so I took one trade on US 30, one trade on US 500, and one trade I think I took on AUDUSD. And this was a scalp, the US 30. I mean the AUDUSD. So you can see the market is creating equal highs over here. The market is creating lower highs, right? And after grabbing these lows first, the market reversed very bullish, in a very bullish manner. And why did I take this as an indication for the market to continue higher? Well, first of all, because after this liquidity grab, the market not only reversed in a bullish manner, it broke the previous market structure. So it broke all these recent equal highs. So it broke this resistance. So once it broke that resistance, and if you know me, I like to trade, or I like to follow the push in momentum that breaks a structure. So once I saw, where did I take this trade? 1 second. Yeah, I took it on the 5-minute time frame, and it was somewhere here, exactly here, actually. Let me just go ahead and mark this. So this is the candle. is the candle where I entered for a trade to the upside. Why did I enter here? Well, this is the push and momentum. One second. So this candle, this bullish candle, blue candle, this is where the push and momentum came to the upside, which broke this previous market structure. So I'm going to draw my Fibonacci from the body of this till this swing high, this highest high that the market made before reversing. Now, if you can see, we had a beautiful rejection at the 61.8 Fibonacci level, but I didn't enter quite there. Once I saw this bullish engulfing candle, that's exactly where I entered. And very little drawdown. We were in a loss for about, I think, 2 or 3 pips. Yeah, 2-3 pips. My stop loss was just beneath this low, swing low. And yeah, I mean, this was a really good trade. I called this out in my channel as well, in the private channel. And our take profit got hit in 1 hour, 1.5 hours. 1.5 hour almost. Hour, I don't know what happened to my to my English right there. Anyways, very beautiful trade. And yeah, I mean, we caught a couple of 100 pips on US 30. We caught a couple of 100 pips on US 500, and then one trade on AUDUSD, and that's all. I mean, I even have, wait, let me see. I have the pictures for the AUDUSD trade, I think. Yeah, exactly. So as you can see, this is the push that started and broke the previous structure. I drew my Fibonacci from here to here, from here to here. Once the market came back down, gave us that rejection, and then that bullish reaction after the 61.8 rejection, you can see that our take profit got hit shortly after that. So I mean, nothing crazy, pretty simple. Institutional concepts, or smart or genius money concepts, and market structure, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it, all combined. Very beautiful trades. I mean, the risk on these trades is insane. Risk to reward is insane. 4-1 or 1-4. And on the US 500, it was 1-6. And on the AUDUSD also, it was only about 10 pips to almost 3-1, which is pretty great, right? Anything more than 2-1 is really good, because it increases the potential for your take profit to be more than your stop loss, right? So that's why I like to trade the way I trade. And yeah, I mean, nothing crazy, guys. Once you get these concepts, once you start looking at the markets in a way that I do, or you could look differently at the markets, it doesn't matter. I mean, the concepts, the base, the foundation should be the same, right? The concepts should be the same, and then you can look at the markets however you want to, right? As long as it helps your analysis, as long as it helps your bias. I mean, you can look at the market at whatever way you want to, you know. So I hope this video was informational, and I hope that you watch the rest of the videos that I'll be putting up in the playlist. It's gonna help you a lot. And yeah, that's it. I just thought I made a short little video, and I'll see you guys in the live stream that I'll be doing either today or tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.